Choosing the right product is the first step, but if you find yourself stuck on the choice that's right for you, we are always ready to answer your call. When you need help most, we are Dealer Support.
Oh, hey Cam, how's it going? Just working away on some stuff. Finally, things have calmed down. Don't have much on the plate, so it's time to relax a little bit. Absolutely.
Relax? That's news to me. Don't you have ADED coming up?
Oh crap, you're right. I got some stuff to figure out. Hold on. Let's get going. Okay, we gotta go find Shay. I think he's got some big news to tell us about the new AVQ. All right, I think you should be in here. How's it going, Shay?
Oh, pretty good. How are you doing?
Good. Just realized ADED is right around the corner, and I heard we got some new additions to the AVQ, some updates. So just want to know what's going on with it.
Yeah, so we got the new AVQ control board here. So that's a whole new update to our product that we're currently working on.
Okay.
We're really focused on the new programming method. So instead of doing it how we usually do it, we're now moving to just SD card programming, which is much faster and easier.
Cool.
We've also got a new speaker as well, which is significantly smaller than our previous one, but higher quality as well.
Okay, nice.
And then we've also got this new tri-switch as well. So that's a whole update and facelift to the AVQ.
Cool.
But in order to really show that, we really need to get somewhere that's a little bit more quiet. So why don't we go do that?
Absolutely, I agree.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Just showing off the new AVQ and the new tri-switch. Just going over it in a little detail. Why are you asking?
You guys doing the tri-switch?
Absolutely.
All right. I'll talk about the tri-switch.
Cool. Come on in. So, what is it really that's new with the AVQ when it comes to the sound, the microphone, the recording? Tell me about it.
Okay, so really what's new is instead of recording what you want for your audio clips, we're digitizing that using a synthesized voice and reconstructing that on the chip here. So that will give you much higher sound quality combined with our new speaker, which is also much more compact than our previous one, with a mounting bracket, which will give you much better acoustics.
Okay.
Another big thing is that we are maintaining compatibility with our previous version. So if you have a current AVQ installation, all that you need to update is your control board, your speaker, and your power. That's it.
That's awesome. So I can just swap that board in, all the new parts, and it'll be compatible with all the new equipment, then it will just be updated with all the new features.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome.
So there's a lot of new features.
Good.
We've not only maintained all the previous things that people have really liked, but we've expanded on those further. Part of that is also adding support for new modes.
Okay.
So to go with our new quality, we've added in a musical mode. So instead of voices prompting you, you can also have it so that a musical tone will prompt you.
Okay.
That combined with the overall quality increase is going to hopefully give our customers a much better experience.
Sounds great.
So should we try it out?
Absolutely, show me.
Left turn, horn, dimmer, wipe wash, wash, rear wiper, rear wash,
So that is a reconstructed signal that is a digitized voice.
Okay.
So instead of us recording that, we can do that in a bunch of languages, a bunch of volumes, and also the musical mode as well. So it's really about giving the customer the customization and all the options that they want.
Okay, awesome. Is there anything about the delay time that we can change compared to the old one?
Yeah, that's a great note. So in addition to our previous customization, there are further customizations as well. So before you could only customize the delay for the system as a whole, but now you can do that on an individual track or individual scan basis as well.
Okay.
So that's all part of the brand new programming model with the SD card that is completely overhauled and meant to be much, much more streamlined while adding features as well.
That sounds great. Thank you so much.
Now we're going to have Jacob talk a little bit about the tri-switch because he's really excited about that.
All right, Jacob, sounds like you're very excited to show me what's new with the tri-switch, so I'm excited to hear what you have to show me.
Yeah, I'm super excited about this. Our new tri-switch is here. Compared to our old tri-switch, it has a bunch of new features, a bunch of exciting stuff going on with it. First and foremost, it's got a quick disconnect cable on the front. So on the old one, you were stuck with this cable that just went out front and then connected elsewhere, but made it kind of a pain to get off and, you know, disconnect it. So right now we have a new connector on the front that's going to be super quick and easy to come on and off.
It's awesome.
So that's the first feature. Other ones that you'll see here, it's got a more ergonomically designed cover. So when you got your hand in there, it feels a little bit nicer. We got rid of the foam because the foam would get like dirty and hard to clean and everything. So
Yeah,
this
fair enough.
This should be a little better. All the old features that you know and love from the tri-switch are still available. They're still here. Still got your rock back and forth. On this one, we have customizable spring stiffness. So if you want it stiffer, you want it looser, we can do that. Customizable throw length. So if you want it, you know, right there, you can have it right there. If you want to go a little bit further for it, you can have that. Other than that, threw a cover on it to make it look all sleek and nice. I think it looks sleek and nice.
I think it looks great. All right, these are two very great additions for existing equipment. Our team would love to walk you through what's new with it at ADED booth number 2. Come see us. Jacob, Shay, I appreciate your help. Great work with the new stuff. I'm gonna go outside, take a break. This time, it's really summer.